looks awesome. Up to and including until about 20 seconds ago, I thought this still might be a scam. So I didn't think people actually won these things, but this is incredible.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it.
Basically, you're getting an entire reloading setup, a gun to shoot the reloads with, and gunsmithing tools to change your barrels out to get you going. And on top of all that, for the hard work and effort, that $1,000 cash winnings
Awesome.
in check. So
Thank you.
not a problem. But any questions?
No, I mean it's great. I'm in the middle of building a reloading shed in my backyard right now. I just
Perfect.
built my first custom gun.
Hey,
coming
we'll
back
get
from
rid of it
deployment,
now.
So
There you go.
Yeah, so now I got everything to work on it and reload, and I can't wait.
Excellent,
I really
man.
appreciate it. Thanks to everyone who put this together and provide all this stuff and did the painting and everything.
Well, we'll get her boxed up and we'll get you back on the road so you can get home.
Yeah, appreciate it. Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thanks for everything. Appreciate it.
Yeah. I'm sure that was well worth drive.
Yeah, absolutely. I was just telling him, first time to Ohio, I think probably about as good a reason to come here as any.
Yeah. I
Get a free gun
like
from you guys.
Skirt, get out of here.
Gotta highlight. No, it's been beautiful driving through here. I love it.
Well, hitting the road. Good luck, man.
Again, have a safe trip home.
Appreciate it,
It's a
Matt.
pleasure meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.